Hey guys, Tony here, going to show you my top 25 Cydia apps and tweaks for jailbroken iPhone on version 6.1.2. So let's get started right away. I'm using an application called Display Recorder for this demonstration. Pretty amazing. It's recording my entire screen and it's recording my voice as well. So it's called Display Recorder. The next application that I love to use is called Zephyr. Basically the best multitasking application out there on Cydia. Basically, instead of having to press the home screen and move around on your phone, you can just basically, if I want to get out of this app, I can just swipe up from the bottom and then it will exit me out of that app, so I don't have to touch the home screen button at all. Zephyr is really cool because when you are already in applications online, again, you can always just swipe up to get rid of them instead of having to press the home screen, but you can also go left and right into what apps you're currently using right now, which is really cool. So that is Zephyr, a really cool application. The next application I'm going to show you guys here is called Oxo. Oxo is really popular out there. I think it's pretty cool. Basically, when you scroll up here and it shows you all the applications that are running in the background, it gives you a cool animation, shows you what's happening in the background currently with your applications. When you go to the left, it has a music library where you can access your music right away. And also has some toggles to turn your Wi-Fi and 3G off and put your phone in airplane mode and stuff like that. Also, another cool thing about Oxo is if you're running applications in the background, which everyone should know that it does kill your battery when you have a lot of apps running, especially like Facebook is running in the background and you're not using it. It's consuming your battery. So what you want to do is close those applications. You can do that by swiping down like this and it'll get rid of it. You can also, I believe, do two at a time with two fingers. You can do two like this as well, or you can just put your finger on one of them and hold it down and you can remove all of them if you want. So that's Oxo, guys. That's really cool feature for the iPhone. Let's see what's next here. Looking at my home screen, I have a cool theme running in the background through Winterboard called Acon. It's supposed to be one of the most popular themes out there. Just shows my applications just look a little different, like the mail and the YouTube and the phone and so on and so forth. Next, 5 icon dock. I have 5 icons in my dock at the bottom, and I have 5 column springboard. So basically, I have 5 applications in each column, and also on the dock as well, which comes in really handy as well. Let's see, what else do I got here for you guys? Fake Carrier and Zeppelin. So I'll show you guys Zeppelin first. Zeppelin's pretty cool. You can just basically change your logo to, like, an Apple logo and Beats by Dre logo, Nike, Superman, Windows. I don't know why you'd have Windows or Android, but yeah, so that's just cool. Gets rid of your telephone service provider's name, and you can just put a logo in there. Also with this, if you have this off, there's an app called Fake Carrier. You can put in a name instead of a logo. You can just type anything in Fake Carrier right here, which is really neat. So I'm just going to exit out of there. Okay. What else do we got here? So that was Fake Carrier. Let's go NC settings. It's cool when you pull up your notification tabs from the top. You can get the weather, you can put a stock widget in here, you can get a flashlight, you can turn off your LTE or Wi-Fi, your brightness as well is right here as well. Comes in really handy when your battery's dying and you have to go through all your settings to turn stuff off. You can just do it all at once right here, just so you can save battery power. That's why I like to use it. Got this cool blur effect as well, not that ugly gray screen that they have on the notifications tab through your iPhone. Bolt, top right, I don't have my battery displaying anymore. Basically, when I plug it in and charge it, it shows a bolt charging. The battery icon is pretty much useless, in my opinion, because you can't really tell how much battery you have by just looking at that little icon. Next, barrel. Okay, so barrel is just a cool animation when I'm swiping left to right, like this. This is barrel. Just adds a cool animation when you're swiping left to right, and there's probably about 30 different ones. They're all really amazing, so this is just the one that I have it on right now, but you'll be amazed. This is barrel right here. You'll be amazed when you see all the different animations you can do with it. It's ridiculous. Next, spot lock and fold to unlock. So basically, usually when you go to the left of your screen on your iPhone device, it usually goes to the search function and you can search your phone. Well, I got rid of that by downloading Spot Lock just because I was having problems with my sleep button and it got jammed and I had to go to Apple and they had to exchange my phone because I was pressing the sleep button a lot. And now what I can do is when I go to the left, it basically locks my phone. Just like that. So to bring it back up, I have this animation called fold to unlock. So you can just see that right there. It's pretty cool. Instead of swipe to unlock, it's fold to unlock, which is really neat. So those are those two. Next, there's a bunch of other stuff. There's one called Active Voice. Basically replaces your Siri or your voice controls by clicking the home screen. It does uses a Google search with that Google Apps icon. This one right here, it's amazing. Like, I can't show you guys on the phone because the volume stops working, but it's amazing. It's called Active Voice, and it uses the Google Voice app, which is very accurate. Next, I have something called Accelerate, which is really neat. Accelerate is a really cool feature. I'll show that to you guys right now. I have it on Ferrari. As you can see how fast it's going towards apps. You can do it a lot slower as well. You can go slower and it'll go really slow. Not sure why you'd want that, but whatever floats your boat. I have it on Ferrari right now, which is pretty fast enough for me. So that is called Accelerate. Away text is basically an application. If you're in a meeting or wherever you are and you can't use your phone, but you want to give someone an auto reply, everybody will get an auto reply to their text messages. You can just enable this. You can put any message you want as well, which is really neat. That doesn't come standard with any iPhone device. That's called Away text. Byte SMS, that's a pretty amazing application as well. Basically, if you're in any application doing whatever and you get a text, it'll show up like this, and then the person's message will be there, and then you can reply to it right from here and just type. You don't have to exit the application that you're in and then go to your SMS. And also you can pull the conversation down if you want to read the conversation, what's going on. That's called Byte SMS. That comes in really handy when you're in other applications. So next, iCleaner. You should probably get this if you're going to jailbreak your phone. It cleans your phone. It's amazing. Icon Rotator. Not sure if you're going to be able to see this feature. When I rotate my phone horizontally, all my apps move as well. So normally when you do that with iPhone, it doesn't actually do that at all. But with Icon Rotator, it does, which is really cool because I like using my phone horizontally there instead of vertically. What else do we got for you guys? Maps Opener. That's a cool feature. Basically, anytime you're trying to get directions or whatever you're doing, it'll use Google Maps automatically instead of using your iPhone Maps, which is really bad, and I don't want to tell you guys why. I had a bad experience with it when I was in Vegas. But so that's called Maps Opener. What else? There's an app called Plugication. Plugication is really cool because I like to listen to music on my phone a lot. And basically by having this application on, basically when you plug in your headphones, it starts to play music, which is really neat. You don't have to, start searching for music right away. So that's called Plugication. I got rid of the newsstand because I thought that was useless and you can't really hide it or move it or put it in any folders. So I used No News is Good News tweak to get rid of that. There's another couple ones here, Absent and Password Pilot. So this is pretty cool. When you're going to the App Store and you're going to be downloading an application, so if you click on it and you click install, Password Pilot has your password already set for your iTunes, so you can just click OK. And basically, what Absent does is shows you a percentage of what percentage the state is of your download. So that's pretty cool right there as well. Pull to, that's something else. Unlimited tones right here, which is really cool. Gives you ringtones, gives you different SMS alerts, just has annoying pop-ups, but it's free. Let's see, what else? Password Pilot, okay, Absent. Pull to refresh Ferrari, sort of like Facebook. You can just pull this down to refresh it. At the top you can see. Okay, it's just like refreshing, which is really cool. Really cool feature. I don't know if I showed you guys this with Zephyr yet, but when you're in an application in Zephyr, you can always pull up the tray right here and then find another app that you want to use. But if you just grab the side of the screen and pull, you can actually multitask through screens, which comes in really handy if you're doing a couple things at once. It's really neat. I think that's really cool. And just exiting out is just so easy as well. What else do I got for you guys? I think that's about it. I think NC settings, I think I showed you guys already. Spot lock, yeah. Double at, yeah, that's just whatever. Double at just puts your email address in. Swipe selector allows you to edit a lot easier. Instead of having that annoying magnifying glass, you can just swipe on your keyboard. I'm going left and right on my keyboard, and you can just go wherever you made a spelling mistake. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you guys, and that's about it. Thank you.